Let me tell you, in my search for a rice cooker, I wanted these top 3 things. Top of the list was number 1, a non-toxic bowl. Number 2, fluffy rice. And 3, cooks brown rice well. Bonus features I got: keeps it warm, cooks other things like grains such as quinoa. And this is exactly what I got with careful research from the GreenPan Rice Cooker. So let me tell you more about the pan. It's ceramic and healthy, free of chemicals, PFAS, lead and cadmium, as well as the pot is dishwasher safe. The internal sensors automatically adjust to make your rice better, so it creates fluffy white rice and softer brown rice. Has a cook delay and a keep warm function. So easy to clean and wash with this removable lid. Love that it's environmentally friendly and healthy cooking option. You can grab this incredible product from the link in my bio, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy healthy cooking!